So, Dr. Tripathi.
Yes, please.
How are you feeling today about yesterday?
Yes. Yeah, nice. And all the performances were rendered excellently, and they all were so melodious. And the people of here, listeners, they also appreciated. They had good comment about all performances, either in sitar recital or some bhajan, that is hymn, or ghazal sung by Prahlad Srivastava. All the program were very much appreciated, and so the newspaper is before you. All Hindi daily newspapers, they have all printed very good comment, excellently, and most Dainik Jagran, Rashtriya Sahara, Aaj, Hindustan, iNext, that is affiliate of Dainik Jagran, all the papers have had an excellent comment. And in Hindi, you see the papers states that Balaji is the echoing, is vibrating his sitar recital, his music performances, either in sitar or some other instruments, or in his vocal. It is all being spread in the widespread in the world. Appreciate about the project, and they say we get an opportunity to perform our geniusness, our talent, our rationality through music and also through religious hymns, then we can go at the highest peak of the prosperous amount in the field of literature and the field of music. We can show to the whole world that we are not only visually impaired. Visually impaired means here is no hindrance. This visually impairedness or this handicappedness, this is not hindrance at any cost in our progress, in our prosperous life. But here we are awaiting for an excellent opportunity, for an excellent chance to produce ourselves, to exhibit ourselves, to perform ourselves to the universe and to the whole world.
Thank you very much for the time.